Good day, everyone. Learn how to change date and time in Samsung Galaxy Ultra or any other Android phone. It is really very easy, and we need to look for the settings first. So we will go to the settings, and here we will scroll down and look for anything which says general management or anything related to date, on time, or time. So I can see general management right there. You can select date and time right there. And again, you will find date and time. We will click on that. And here, if you see automatic date and time, automatic time zone turned off like this, then you can set it manually. Else, if you turn on these automatic date and time, it will fetch from the internet and the SIM which you're using. So it will check the automatic date and time. And if you want to use the 24-hour format, you can turn on that as well. It is up to you. And here you set time zone based on location. You can do that. This is very helpful. So if you're going abroad or anywhere, you can turn on this and this will change according to your location. All right. So this is how you can change date and time in any phone, Android phone. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.